excited to share with you guys that my friends over at the Home Depot in Weber sent me this brand new gas grill for the fall grilling season. Grilling in the fall is the absolute best. You get to enjoy the cooler weather, you get to enjoy the beautiful foliage, and for us, since our kitchen is undergoing renovations, it was perfect timing. This is the Weber Spirit 2, and I want to share with you guys some of its awesome features. Come check them out.
Would you believe that I've previously only grilled with charcoal? You stick with what you know, I guess, but from now on, I'll be sticking with this. The Weber Spirit 2 3-burner gas grill has a GS4 grilling system, which includes an infinity ignition that is ensured to ignite every time. The front-mounted thermometer allows you to monitor and control your grill's temperature for consistent cooking. It has fold-down side table with tool hooks, keeping your items easily within reach. There's an easy-to-read fuel gauge, a pull-out grease management system, and reversible cooking grates, which give you the option of thick or thin sear marks when grilling. Those are a few of my favorite features, but you can check out the list of other Weber features on HomeDepot.com.
Now let's make some skillet corn casserole. Pour 1 box of your favorite cornbread mix into a medium mixing bowl. Mix 1 large egg, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1 stick of softened butter. Once mixed well, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 can of whole corn, 1 can of cream style corn, and a half a tablespoon of sugar. Next, you're going to heat your well-oiled skillet on the grill on medium heat. In the meantime, I place my sweet potatoes on the warmer rack to get started.
After about 5 to 10 minutes, your pan should be hot and ready. You can pour that corn mixture into the pan and spread it out nice and evenly. Close your grill and let your corn casserole cook on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are crispy and brown. Thanks to the Weber Spirit 2, I was able to easily create a delicious fall meal for my family. What are some of your favorite fall foods to grill? Leave me some ideas in the comments. Be sure to head over to HomeDepot.com to learn more about Weber's awesome selection of grills available.